Voice of Glory Television, glorifying the Lord with our voice. Voice of Glory by Evangelist Jonathan Entry.
And so a big one at them a mamma in whom are on the Timuda. And you say, be our share in this our share. As I won't share, young Conny and Cosher, and as a washer so up, Srow, Sershim will be who of Christian beer with their mouth, a bar, their mouth, letting young one. I'm a Dutch come and used to set pin a new young. I nearly rubber. At your meeting, and the evangelist Jonathan Entry. Yanko, you could see a sister no mention. Nayambra.
Yo, I was your form. What to say? I'm not sure I need no wedding come. Any wedding come out another issue. Any wedding come out afar. I dear, I will go for each day. I'm a dream. Na enya sem ketwa. Any wedding come on, my reminder of where we are and how close we are. For Yesu Christo Maya etosumi no. But for we are very close. We are very close than you think. It's time for us to get ourselves ready and prepared for our King of Kings and the Lord of Lords. He is coming very soon. We have to be prepared very well. It's not easy. Onyame asheyi ne maya na chireme sa. Every time obey bia is very powerful. And run on to me many 2 o'clock. Na me frame me yonko pabi. So for na me se bi nyame yi mi. Me ne mi enu nyina we plead and ajono na nyagro. Adi me hu ye the difference. And I'm here. Many I call you say, I'm pleading for women. And ma, I'm pleading for women. And ma, your heaven column is not easy. You're not so few. It's so that Jesus Christ ba. Say we wouldn't end it. Na bofo atiesi asasi so no mo hye nkofo ho. Na atade kutikuta wo na say jumper. I said nkremofo jumper na wo hye no trousers na wa hye so ne nsasi na yi it's do ne kotodwe no. Beautiful white. Na me say mema na ye dey show mo pa mema. And ye dey show mo pa. E maka krebi e no so kra nkola e maya. I was so shocked. Nipa is shocked. Obia is a camera almost shank for him. It's a steam at you, Obia. You can move. Na man for I is sad. Na a need some say. The way you see you, they were so happy. They were so happy. Na unam Yesu Christo le mimun ashray. Just a girl. They were so happy. He should show them. Maya, a man who Maya to say 12, 13 years. They were smiling, they were so excited. And remember, most in the heaven. Maya Ketuebi. I'm pleading. My heart is broken and it's very sad. Obi be a church, obi connect man a dosso. Me too many show Facebook. How many women are here preaching? Hey, I want some tired papa. Emma, I want some tired papa. Oh, you see it because we are weaker vessel. Oh, you see it, pa. Mema, nyami shiramu. Mema, nyami shiramu. Nyami shiram mema. I'm telling you, you don't have much to do, just a little bit, and God will favor you. May come through. So, Bob, or have it easy. But women, let me say, why women? Why Emma? And I don't pay me to a vampire. What I'm seeing and hearing in my ears is arrogant women. And Nibre, Ahoya, Hasani Kumina, and Nuna a dimaso. Sahu no a cheating ma. Oma fire no nyagro. I'm pleading for women. Emma, it's time for us to come down. Let's go back where God wants us to be. He said we should be submissive. Women, let's go back there. Mema yezo. Hey, ushiano ekitwa bikura, be careful. Ntina Yesu Kristo wa oba bem. And the position of the man so oniwa bema na megina ho. Enye easy. And ma why? Why Emma? Yes, some women in the Cremona. Are we? Ye preaching day and night, you know. Yes, some women in the Cremona. And I depend on Bayin and Shayama. Is that what we are doing? What are we doing? And let me tell you, whatever we are doing in secret, it will appear in the public very soon. So we have to be very vigilant and be careful. Women, obi bien na sorry or the man bien. A man that call, Bema be kwa sorry and the year in a try man kwa sorry. And why? In the kingdom of heaven, a man ka krebi why? Why? Ask yourself. Share who see. No but now can make a person. Go for the candy or pay. You're joking. You're joking. Sodom and Gomorrah, Nipa said, "Oh, you spare one. I'm asking you." Or sister, you know, another year, and Sunday used to my and bear. Nipa say, "And oh, you go spare one. Sodom, and they say, no one, no. How many people? How many people? Women, I'm pleading. She won't pay people. Women, we need it right now. We need to pray like never before. Don't pray about anything. Pray for your salvation, my dear. But pray so that you show you won't come and yes, I did out to me. And why are they perceiving coming out to me? I had time to me. And then they see a coin. Yahoo, you think you're working? A lot of things. You know what? The devil is using us so much because he knows we are weaker vessels. He's using us, each other, going against each other. Women, we will be so surprised. Yes, Christo Pia, women. A lot of us will be left out. A lot of us will be left out. Because of Papa. If we didn't change the way we think, the way we act, if we didn't change our character, most of us will be left out. Women. I'm pleading for women. Emma, why? Why, Emma? Why women? Why women? women. A lot of women will be left out. And men don't want to echo. Men don't want to. Jesus. Men don't want to. Move your mama. Bible say. Okunu. Wouldn't say be on a bedroom with him. Or you wouldn't say be on a bedroom. Okunu be a who could tell you me some more okunu or you want it. Buano no tinu no crano. Buano. We are so far now. You maybe then, please help her. Buano, and yes, a lot of women will be left out. We are who see a morning come. Yes, I want no so far. And yes, I want no. Mr. Boy, no see no ye, no mess about penny. And yes, I want no. And yes, I want Buano. Or so far. And yes, I want Buano. Mr. Mema Mumo Mano. Whatever they were doing and you're right, you know. Help your wife. Help your sister. Mumo. Women and never be marrying in our feet said they were just want to be attractive to men. Said here could them. Yahusia see any makeups I can see in you, they just want to be attracted to men. And remember, be a winning the crown. Help your wife, help your sister. Checking in Tadishim, now see, Nikasa, Nejuma, or you, or to say, are you pure? Are you serving God? I want to win the crown, sister. A lot of women will be left out. But me too many on Facebook, how many women are preaching? Do we love each other? We love each other. Or is it or just for people to see us? Are we doing what we're supposed to do, women? Are we helping our husbands? It's not easy. It's not easy. Women, I'm pleading for women. Yet you go study the book here. But you're penocre. Yes, you're penocre. You're penocre. Ay, Yahusia, and I see a coin. And if you are a person coming out, I see a coin, I see a coin. Women, I'm pleading for women. And remember to do another heaven. And remember to do another. And they deserve it. They deserve it. Remember, they deserve it. And remember, I pray some woman help here. Help us to reach out. Help us. We need to help her. And sorry, man, so for me go preach. Wabra omo sisi no mo nyama nye. Na nka wonu ntum. She wo freedom. She me man freedom. O baby ye adwuma no pa. But one here na sisi be see the coin. O baby ye adwuma no pa. But I'm when if I feel woman in the munti. E be see the coin. Hey. What I saw was dangerous. What Pierre me? I want to look at how many men are going. A man yesterday, how many women are preaching? How many women? And they come to me. What are they doing? Hey, it's not easy. We want to fire a word. Money be to suffer, money be to me, get me kunia. Yeah. We don't know how tears here. You know, because I saw for you, Jaw. Easy. We are weaker vessel. And into a wonderful you see what you want, you're the plan on 9 years. We don't belong here. We have a place to go. We came from heaven and we have to go back to our destination. We don't belong to hell. And I'm here to speak to women. Abrazo, women, calm down. Calm down, my sister. Calm down. You need his help. Bro, who wants to know more? No more. Especially member who could continue Mumu, sorry, ma. Mumu, sorry, ma. Oh, yes, my pitch member, I come with TB. May I keep my freedom. And member will have it going easy. Easy. And ma, we have troubles. Because if you have the car. And then to Manisha America, look at the prayer lines. A lot of prayer lines. What kind of attitude do you have over there? Your prayer lines God doesn't like that. And finally, how good you preach. Let me tell you, if you didn't change your character, your attitude, it's not going to go well. And prayer lines, so they just want to get closer to people. Moment destroy, moment fear. How can you reach to the kingdom of heaven? And you bring to me name. We have to be very vigilant and be very careful. And not go on a video to us 2 times think that. But Manano G. Yamre who say, am I a memano? No more and say and some fire for heaven. Because one would echo, or would do another echo, I would do another echo. I would do another. Yes, you see modesty. Men say sexy. Men so much sexy. And that's how you dress. Yes, you see modesty. Men say sexy. And who sees here the chest for them? Look at the way we dress. I am quite sorry. See a pretty and then say Jezebel. And they quite sorry. And then to one for their hand pay. Look at what we are doing. And they are quite sorry crying to Chiliati. Nature lady be was so free for us and by. Was this some one to Chimutina what you saw them for? Above 4 dimmed memo. Above 4 dimmed memo. To rig in a good citizen who do above 4 dimmed memo. You have to cover your hair. Now dress it decent. Now change your character. I'm pleading for women. God help us. I'm pleading for women. Subunya me ho women in the crib what is this here? Die by year to a hand time person in coming out hoya. Die to what? Die to the preaching now preaching is the Sunday money few more. It's not gonna work. It's not gonna work. Few people. I hate crying. I hate crying my face like this. I hate crying, but guess what? I have to. I plead Anadina from 2 o'clock minutes up to now. And ma, I love you, my sister. I love you so much. Say you united near Kaya Humomoa. Near so good attitude. Near Dibe Yen Tua. Near Chi Kunumuni and Mamanuma. Near no Moya Bakua. Near the Unity Bar. I started for a man creating confusion. A man creating confusion was not even brave. You had dressed in the core, but we don't look for Christ. We don't look for Christ. It's time for us to go to church and look for Christ. Then say a coach and come here. It's not going to help us. I'm warning you. God bless you. God bless you. Jesus.
The phone I'm sure. So what can who now share? And set on pack. What would you want? And I call a comma. Couple issue. Many will cashier. I mean, no video so not for a comma. The more who would think any 2 will be to give you now. And that jump on also. You should uncastle with Nemo. Only aim of did or hidden. So subscribe to your TV channel, House of Glory. And you were sorry, Embre, and so Ebeba. And the preaching of Woodward and Sobeba. And the chorus of Woodward and Sobeba. In fact, Nami 2 minutes a gusu at a juma. The Mawu said, subscribe send be a video fufuru bi aba say you preaching say you sorry say you no to sorry embrace say you yie be die ben so nsabe kan na oni ye kabum na yi nyame kese no nyame so ye wakoma so adem ela wase na insha shalom peace bye bye